स्टडी फटाफट के इस एपिसोड में आपका स्वागत है। मेरा नाम है टी.एस. सुधीर। आज के एपिसोड में हम इस बात की चर्चा करेंगे, वी विल डिस्कस which are the 4 chapters that stand a good chance of being asked in the ICSE English 2, that is the English Literature Examination paper for class 10 in your board examination in 2021. So 2021 के बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन पेपर में कौन से ऐसे चैप्टर हैं, कौन से ऐसे 4 चैप्टर हैं जिसमें से आपको प्रश्न पूछे जा सकते हैं। पहला है हार्ट ऑफ द ट्री, यानी कि पेड़ का दिल। दूसरा है कोल्ड विद इन। द थर्ड वन इज द चीफ सियाटल स्पीच एंड द फोर्थ वन इज यस अ हॉर्स एंड 2 goats, यानी कि घोड़ा और 2 बकरियां, आर.के. नारायण की कहानी। नाउ आई नो मेनी ऑफ यू फाइंड दीज 2 वेरी ट्रिकी, मेनी ऑफ यू ऑल्सो एक्चुअली लीव इट आउट बिकॉज this one because of the length and this one because it's a little vague. Okay, now why do I think these 4 stand a good chance? Because in the 2019 board paper, in the 2020 board paper, and in the 9th class final paper, which was actually set by the council. The question paper last year for you 9th class students, when you were in 9th class, was set by the council, and these 4 have never figured in all the 3 question papers set by the council. Okay, so by the law of probability, I think these 4 stand a good chance. But let me add a caveat out here. मेरा कहने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि ये 4 ही आप प्रिपेयर करें. I am not saying that prepare only these 4, but prepare these 4 better than the other poems and stories, especially if you are planning to do 2 poems and 2 stories and 1 MOV. Okay, especially for those students, I think these 4 you should prepare a little better. R.K. Narayan के बारे में I am a little more confident because if you look at the pattern of the previous year board papers, one Indian author is always asked. In 2019, it was Ruskin Bond, A Face in the Dark. In 2020, it was Sarojini Naidu's Bangle Sellers. Also Bluebeard, which is a story set in India, but now Bluebeard is out of the syllabus for 2021, which is why I think A Horse and 2 Goats, and especially it's an Indian council examination. So, an Indian author को तो पूछना जरूरी है, right? So R.K. Narayan, I think, has a good chance also because it has never been asked. Okay, even in your 9th class. So prepare these 4 well. All the best to you and study फटाफट को देखते रहिए so that we don't waste any time in getting across important and crucial information to all your students.